Hello and welcome back to this section. In this section, we're going to be working on the post superglobal variable. Now, the post superglobal variable is used to collect form data after submitting an HTML form. So basically, we use it when you're working on forms with forms. So the superglobal variable post will help to collect the form data. So any data that is coming in from the form, maybe for example we have the username and we have the password, any data that is coming in from the form, the superglobal variable post helps us to collect that form data, all right, after submitting that HTML form. So basically we've actually done something similar to this when we're working on form submission and also working with database and the rest. So but I just want to use this to just explain furthermore and what the superglobal variable post is all about. So without wasting much of our time, let's go down and open a new file. So we come down here and we have the post d_posts.php. Now I'm going to create doc syntax here, and we're going to have a form. Let's create a form here. So let's say we have method posts. All right, so I'm just going to create an input for text, and we're going to have name. We're going to assign name to that. So we have here name, and lastly we're going to create an input for submit. Okay, so this will be input for submit. All right, so don't forget to have here the post.php. all right, so let's move on to the very top of the page, and let's create a PHP syntax right there. Okay, so here we have the superglobal variable, which is post. Okay, so just create a square bracket there, and we're going to pass in the name. Okay, so put a semicolon there, and let's not forget to have the echo right there. All right, so now let's go to this to the browser and check that out. So I'm just going to remove this and put the d_posts.php. all right. Okay, so we have an undefined array key name here. Why is it showing this? There's nothing wrong actually. It's just because we don't have our assets right here. So it's asking where is name, where is this name? It's not seeing the name. But if you see that, if you do something like this, let's say we have, let's put in a name there, David, and we click on submit, you will see that that error goes away. So once you put the input, you put the name inside the input, it goes in, and you click on the submit, it actually sees that there is a name input right there. There's a name actually connected to this superglobal variable, and it gives us, it goes in there and collect the data and release it to us here. So that's what this post superglobal variable is actually doing. It just helps us to collect the data coming in from the form. Okay, so whenever we impute a data into the form, the superglobal variable post help us to collect that data, so we can either pass that data into the database, and basically we use the post for sensitive data, sensitive information, things like password, things like login details. We use the post superglobal to help us to collect such kind of data. So we cannot use the get superglobal variable to collect sensitive data. No, we use the post. The post is used to collect sensitive data like login, passwords, and all those stuff, sending them to the database, and also processing those kind of data. So that will be all for this section. I'm not going to be talking much. We've done lots and loads of illustration concerning this post in our previous videos. So that will be all for this section. And thank you for watching, and bye for now.